Are you a Starlink user in Zimbabwe? And have you received the disconnection notice to say your service is going to be terminated by the end of the month? You're not alone. Starlink have identified that there are a number of users in Zimbabwe using a roaming service out of countries like Guatemala, Venezuela, Germany, various European and South American countries. And Starlink have sent out a warning that those services are going to be disconnected by the end of May 2026. We have been inundated by calls by those users to onboard them onto a local Zimbabwean package. The Frampol team have been onboarding many Starlinks in the last few days. The details of the packages are in the description of this video below. Reach out to us before the end of the month rush and we'll get you onboarded with a special offer for the month of May, and then billing will commence on the 1st of June. Get connected, get protected, get Frampol.